Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video in this channel. And in today's video, we are going to discuss one of the newest features of Tableau, but actually, to be honest, it's not really that new. I think it was released somewhere in 2022, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 2022.4. I mean, by now, of course, we are talking about image roles. So let's jump to the video to explore this. We'll design a use case in this way that I've connected to the Superstore data, and what I want is I want my icons. I want small icons, small images for my subcategories. All right, so let's say I want to create some table where I have some kind of a view where I have subcategories. I have, let's say, categories, and then I'm just checking the sales, profit, and I don't know what else can we look for, quantity maybe, and let's say we just want to check the average value of all of it. So average sales, average quantity, average profit. The main use cases, we want the icons, we want the images for each of those individual subcategories. Now, this new functionality of Tableau, the image role that was released in 2022.4, what it says is you can have a column whose data type can be image URL. So in that case, it's kind of a different, altogether a new data type that they have released. So we can have URLs in column, and Tableau will read those URLs in the form of, like, it will, when Tableau reads those URLs, what it'll do is it will go to that URL, fetch that particular image, and bring it back to your view. So what I have done till now, I have already prepared a sheet on Google Sheets. So I'll try to connect with it. I will add a new connection. Google Drive. I'll just connect to my Google Drive. And try to connect with it. So what image rule has is it has a sheet. I'll just try to drag this sheet. This particular sheet has a subcategory column, and then it has the URLs of each of the icons, each of the subcategories. I have created a relationship between them. Maybe it will work with joins as well. I haven't really tried. Just give it a try. It's up to you. I'll do it with the relationship. Subcategory is matching the subcategory from sheet 1, so that's fine, absolutely good. Coming back to our sheet, this is the icons. Let me try to drag the icons to the rows, and oh dear, what do we see? We see that instead of the image, we are seeing the URL directly. And why is it happening? The reason is we haven't asked Tableau to differentiate between this text, whether, like, we haven't told Tableau whether it's a text or a URL type. So what we have to do is go back to the data source, click on this ABC, you'll see image role, and then you'll see URL. And the moment you have it, sheet 1, bingo, you have the images immediately. Tableau has fetched the images for you. If you just try to drag this sheet on a dashboard, you can see the images look perfect. So explore this functionality. Let me know some cool use cases if you have come up with, if you have experienced, and if you have watched this video till here, please hit the like button, do share, do subscribe, and stay tuned for such good content. Happy visiting. Bye bye.